Hey there, I'm Akhil, founder of IK Automation. We are building the next generation of powerful AI agents, solutions that let small and medium businesses like yours explore their revenue growth without ever drowning in repetitive, time killing manual work again. In this video, I want to introduce you to the concept of AI agents and why they're turning the business world on its head, especially if you are a business owner, sales leader, startup founder, or even a student of business who cares about real results. So think of it like this. If revenue growth is your number one priority, you might be looking back on today as the moment you stopped relying on the old school hustle and started letting AI agents do the heavy lifting in your business. Or at least you started thinking about it today. Let's face it, before 2024, most of us thought automation meant a few email sequences here and there, a CRM for storing contacts, or some workflow connections. But now we are seeing entire workflows that are transforming industries. Even we are building powerful agents for lead generation, follow ups, data entry, call management, post call note taking, being handled by AI agents that can think and act on their own. It's a total shift from I do everything manually with our own systems to I set a strategy and the agents carry it out. Too true to believe, right? It will let you and your team members focus on real human connections that will actually help you close more deals. So, over the next few minutes, I'll break down AI agents in plain English, how they work, why they're leaving traditional systems in the dust, and what that means for your revenue goals. Whether you are a 5% team or a 100% operation, this tech can unleash growth you never thought possible. So, stay with me and let's get into it. Awesome. So let's understand what are AI agents in plain simple English. This is a simple AI agent architecture. Think of an AI agent as a digital helper that can do three main things. Step one, it can collect data. In step two, it can then analyze that data. And in step three, it takes action automatically. So yes, it is that simple. So let's understand it better. In this diagram, you've got three key inputs that you are feeding into the agent box. The first is the capability of the AI agent. This is basically its skill set. Maybe it can scrape websites, or it can send emails, or it can update a CRM. Think of it like you're hiring someone who's already been trained for certain tasks. The next key input is your goals. You have something that you want to accomplish. Let's say a company goal where you want to have better leads, or you want to have proper follow ups, or you just want to reduce the boring data entry chores that are there. This is where the agent knows what outcome has to be achieved, which are your goals. And finally, the previous knowledge that you feed to the agent. This is the experience or context you feed the agent. It could be something like your brand guidelines, it could be your sales scripts, or that important document that you want your agent to reference for customer support. It's the memory or the domain information that shapes the agent's decisions. Now, the agent takes all of these inputs and executes it in an environment. So, what is an environment? An environment is where the actions happen and generate results and feedbacks. This is where the actions take place. This could be your CRM, it could be your website, another software, or something connected in the physical world. This is the step where tasks are performed on your behalf without you doing anything manually except for setting up the agent properly. Now, once the action is run, that environment, let's say a CRM, sends feedback back to the agent in the form of observations. For example, did the lead respond? Or did the CRM successfully update the data? Or did the data come back with any errors? The agent then uses these observations, which are nothing but the environment's reaction, to refine its next action. So, this is a continuous loop. You can think of it like it's a continuous loop of think, act, and observe. And the beauty of AI agents is that once set up, they handle repetitive tasks like daily lead generation or automatic follow up on emails 24 by 7 without any breaks and no complaints. For you, that means less of the boring, time killing grunt work and more time for strategic moves like actually closing hot deals, hot leads, or refining your product. So, why this matters for businesses? Imagine you're a sales manager. Instead of having your sales rep scroll LinkedIn every morning, your AI agent does that. It finds 50 potential leads that match your target criteria. like companies with over 50 employees in the manufacturing sector. Then it enriches the data with information like contact name, job detail, job title, revenue, email, phone number, company size, LinkedIn URL, you name it. And then finally, it automatically updates your CRM. Meanwhile, your reps are free to automatically talk to leads, close deals, or come up with new outreach ideas. That is the difference between hoping your team is efficiently dividing tasks and knowing that your work is being done better than before. So let's just put it all together. So you define what your agent can do, its capabilities. Then you set the goal. Example, enrich 100 leads a day or auto send follow-ups after 2 days of no response. Then you give it context, your reference documents or the best time to send emails, whatever. Finally, this agent acts on your behalf in the environment, like it's scheduling tasks, emailing leads, or updating data. Then the environment responds with its observations. The agent sees that observation, learns, and adjusts the next steps. That's it, no rocket science. AI agents are basically your hyper focused, never sleeping digital sidekicks, turning your manual busy workflow into automated done for you workflows. And once you see how it frees up your time, you'll never want to go back to spreadsheets ever again. It keeps the loop going. Think, act, and observe. Your AI agent just keeps getting smarter. You will see more productive sales teams, tighter marketing campaigns, and less headache for everyone. In less than a half, is I think in less than a half a decade from now, starting this year, we are going to see teams of AI agents handling the work for you. In the next video, we'll dive deep into a multi-agent framework which looks something like this for sales, marketing, and customer success agents that would work together to help you achieve your sales goals in less than half the time as well. These include agents that can help you automatically generate high quality leads, filter them properly, and start your outreach and engagement campaigns, update your CRM without manually entering data, and suggest the hottest prospects likely to buy from your pipeline. I show you how you can train your sales teams on their calls feedback so that they can do better outreach, and how to do automatic call management where your salespeople will only have one job: build relationships and close more deals. We also have tutorials on our channel showing you exactly how to build various AI agents I just mentioned above to grow your revenue. The era of AI agents is truly here, and if your business is ready to grow in multiples instead of adding to profits each year, you can book a business audit with me where we go through your current processes and give you the exact steps that will help you grow your business to the next level. If you like this content, following our channel will help you stay super up to date. Until next time.